Hey guys, I'm Voylin, and in today's video I'll be making not beef jerky, pork jerky. Yay! It's one of my most favorite snacks, but this is my kitchen. Well, from me and my wife. And there is no cooking space. For people living in Japan or planning on moving to Japan, get a big cutting board that you can put over your sink, and voila, you have a sink. Well, as a sink, you have a work area. Yay! So Japanese apartments are quite tiny. I tried to use my tripod. I cannot put this in a decent place without it being like in the way. Living in a tiny apartment in Japan, it's quite inconvenient most of the time. Let's get our pork, which has been leaking a little bit. So this is my pork and 40% off. Yay! Discount. So we take our knife, and today I'll try not to cut myself. So after washing your hands and almost breaking the towel holder again, we cut open the packaging. Whoop! It's been some time since I did a cooking with Voylin, but they're not really the most popular videos on my channel, and I understand why. I just like making them. So I like to divide the meat into nice pieces so it's easier to cut, and then we just basically make slices. Try not to make them too thick, not too thin. And these pieces of fat that you see on here, if you like the taste, you leave them on. Else just remove them, because they also make the drying process a lot longer. And like from thickness, try to go around here, like around this size. Also, sorry for the vegetarians, this is not a vegetarian snack. So, let me cut all the meat. Takes a good 30 minutes to do the preparations. Then you wait a day, and then you do the rest. And, well, the rest, I mean like the drying process in the oven. This is actually like an oven and a microwave combination. Don't know how it works, but it's great. Yeah, living in a tiny apartment. This is a way of saving space. You don't need a microwave. Our fridge is like 1.5 meters high. It's big enough, like big enough for 2 people. Like most of the time, we still have space left over. To make it quiet, I have this piece of cardboard that I put against the wall and against the fridge. That makes the vibrations less and makes it quiet, because like our futon is right over there, and else we don't really have a quiet night. It's quite a noisy one. So when everything is cut, we take this, which is actually a thing that we use for the scrap vegetable waste. We put a bag over here, we put the waste in. I'm using it for the jerky as well. I do like this with my Ziplock bag. Don't touch the outside of the bag with your raw meat hands, because it will be going in the fridge, and it's best not to have that kind of stuff all over the inside of your fridge. So let's wash our hands now. Okay, let's quickly wash this plate as well, just to have a clean working environment. Okay, so next up we add some soy sauce. It's such a tiny kitchen, and I still cannot find most of the stuff I need. We need a spoon, and we add 6 spoons of soy sauce. Spicy spice. Okay, and I got some spices. From this, really don't put more in than 1 spoon. Only if you really like spice, do more than a spoon, because the last time when I made it, I did a little bit too much. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Pick the honey now. From honey, around a nice spoon, like this. Okay, then we add some garlic. We have kind of garlic tubes here. You can use normal garlic. I just like to use this because it's convenient. I just do a nice amount. If you don't add garlic, the taste really is not that great. Then we add a spoon of Tonkatsu sauce and Oyster Sauce. I don't really know. So we add these two things. Just a nice spoon. Also a nice spoon. I prefer to add a little bit more Tonkatsu sauce. Just because it makes the sauce more thicker and it makes it easier to dry. From pepper I add as much as I like. I don't really have... Well, most of my recipes don't really have like an exact amount, so I do it until the top is nice and full. That's like a teaspoon, around a teaspoon. A little bit extra for good luck. Close the bag, don't leave too much air inside. You should leave some because else the mixing doesn't go that well. And then you just mix for the next couple of, like around 5 minutes, so everything is like nicely processed. So mix. And then very important, roll it up. Make sure the air is all out. Close it. Like, there can be a little bit air left, like it's impossible to get all the air out. If you put it like this in your fridge will smell like beef jerky. The smell comes through the Ziplock bag. So I would advise put this in another Ziplock bag. I'm out of Ziplock bags right now. I went shopping and forgot to buy them. So yeah, my fridge will smell. My wife will mind. And then it goes inside of the fridge. And now we wait for around a day.
はい、じゃあビーフジャーキーじゃない、ポークジャーキーを作っていきます。こんな感じで漬け込んでますので、これを今からオーブンで焼いていきます。じゃあこういう風にオーブンの土台を2つ用意していただいて、シートを敷きます。フライパン用のホイルシートかクッキングシートどちらでも大丈夫です。個人的にはこっちの方がよく乾く、よくドライするような気がします。はい、じゃあこんな感じでできました。じゃあこれをオーブンに入れていきます。オーブンで100度で、まずは、30分経ちました。こんな感じ。はい、じゃあ今からチャーンします。こんな感じでチャーンしたらまだのちやつね。チャーンしたら次は100度、同じ100度で15分。GO！ こういう風にドライこんな感じに硬くなったら OK いき。こんな感じだとちょっとナッチャツ again これだとまだナッチャツ